Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to crop and scale your videos. So first of all, you drag in your videos, bring your videos into your timeline. Then once it's arranged in your timeline, click on the particular video you would like to scale. So just click on this or this. Let's do this one. You scale it. You go to your scale properties in your effect control. Whichever way you want to scale, you can increase it. Whatever way, you can come to the second one and do the same thing and increase it. Yep, this is how you increase it. So you just increase it, you scale in, then you can take it back whichever way you want to. So this is how to scale. Play with this here till you adjust it to the particular size you want. Then to crop, you bring in your crop, go to your effect here, you bring in your crop effect, then you drag and you drop your crop. You can drag and drop it in the two clips. So if you want to crop this, let's say you want to crop this, you click on that particular clip you want to crop, then you come here. There are different directions: left, top, right, bottom. So the higher the value, the less you see it. So that is this. If you increase it to the left, you're seeing the left less. So that's how far I can explain it. So I hope you understand. So that's it. So let's just say, imagine you want to, whatever you want to crop, you want it to affect the whole clip. So what you just have to do for it to affect the whole clip is that you bring in your adjustment layer. You come here, you bring in your adjustment layer. Okay, you drag and drop your adjustment layer. Drag and drop your adjustment layer. Make sure it covers the whole clip. Then you bring in your crop effect, you drop it, then you can auto cinematic look. Let's just give it auto cinematic look. That play with this top, play with the bottom. Yeah, so that's it. Let's check if it affected the second one. You can see it affected the second one. So if you do it, you can make the adjustments. You can make some adjustments. You can make the adjustments yourself. Come to the second one, you can make some adjustments. Whatever adjustments you feel like making, you can make the adjustments. Yep, for it to fit. And so that's it. For more tricks and tips, subscribe and like. I'll be sharing more. Thank you.